In May 2008, the Western Catchment Management Authority and the Department of Primary Industries reintroduced snags at 11 sites in the Darling River between Bawarrina and Burke. The demonstration reach shows techniques landholders and community groups can use to restore and protect aquatic and riverside habitat.
The project's about undertaking a range of interventions to demonstrate what can be done to improve native fish habitat and the health of the river system. What we have here is some resnagging which between I guess the late 1800s and the early 1900s, a lot of large woody habitat has been removed from the river for ease of navigation for the paddle steamers and used as a fuel source. As a result, we've got very little woody habitat for native fish, shelter, spawning sites, food source, and we've selected 11 sites along the demonstration reach where we've put a small amount of wood back into the river system to essentially try to enhance little sections of the river for native fish.
We are pretty stereotypical of landowners in Western New South Wales. You know, we have 3 generations living on the farm and all working on the farm. Probably kidding ourselves at a point. We're making a living out of it after the last 10 years, but yeah, and we're focused to pretty much been able to pass on what we work with here, and probably a better order or a bit better quality than what we've received, it sort of thing. And well, that's the aim. From a landholder's point of view, it's not so much as seeing a degradation in numbers and quality of fish. It's more increasing the actual habitat that's available to them, and hopefully just seeing rewards there of, you know, greater fish numbers. Obviously there's lots of old stories, you know, like once upon a time people could come to the river and, you know, catch a feed of fish relatively quickly, where now they've got to work overtime and fight the carp off. But whether we ever see it get back to that, you know, I'm not quite sure. But, you know, with the help of these sort of projects, maybe we're taking a step in the right direction.
The resnagging project that's currently being held with the Western CMA, I think is a very positive thing, because you're creating a natural environment for the fish and shrimps and whatever else lives in there, our endangered species as well. Because they have no habitat to reproduce, it's very hard for them to be ongoing. So I think that the resnagging project is going to be a real eye-opener at the end of the day. For Aboriginal people, the river is a very important resource for us. It's sustained life along the Darling River for thousands of years. It's also the giver of life to everything that associates with the river: fish, animals, birds. It's a very important resource for us. It has been for a very long time.
Over the next couple of years, our scientists will electrofish each of the sites that have been resnagged to determine the response of native fish to these logs.
This project contributes towards meeting the aquatic habitat target for the Western Catchment. Call us to learn how we can work together to improve the way we manage our natural resources.